We have 7 billion people on this planet. The only way we can continue to survive is through technology. Clean water, access to medical care, and good social structure. I think our job is to educate our children so that they understand the foundations of our civilization and can work within those structures. FIRE gives students the opportunity to get into the sciences and technology, to have firsthand experience and really understand it.
Our focus is to take environmental samples from tributaries that lead to the Chesapeake Bay and analyze antibiotic resistance within our samples. If we can identify what's causing the resistance, then we can determine ways to stop that. The overall goal is to reduce contamination within the streams.
My research really focuses on the regulation of gene expression to understand how genetic diseases occur within the body. We obtain genomic nucleotides that we actually design, and our task is to seal it and insert it into bacterial plasmids, which is a circular DNA.
FIRE is a first-year innovation and research experience, and its goal is to get undergraduate students involved in the research process from their first semester at Maryland.
It's really important for students to get exposed to the idea that science doesn't always work, and it doesn't always work the way you expect it to work, and being flexible, being able to adapt based on the results that you're actually getting is a really important skill for them to have, both as a researcher and just in life in general.
This is an opportunity to expose students to an experience of doing real research.
I definitely did not think I would be able to do this kind of research as a first-year student here.
I mean, you're talking about having undergraduate students having the opportunity to learn on a graduate level.
We don't know what our results are going to be, so that's the fun part of it, is it's real life.
It's like hard to understand, so if you just have that kind of thing.
Some of these research projects are more about determining whether existing policy has actually had an effect at solving some environmental problem. Other times we're interested in taking on new data sets and analyzing them in a way people haven't considered before.
We have a variety of different research streams, so you can go to something more related to biology, you can go to something that's more social sciences, and it gives a really awesome opportunity for students to really start thinking about what is it that I actually want to do.
Everything I learned within this program is all interrelated. So once you learn something in class, you apply it here. Once you learn something here, you apply it to class. So it's all of it's interchangeable. And I really, really, really like that.
Going to a large school, you have large classes, you see all these different faces, and because this is a 2-year program, you're with the same people, the same professor, you build those connections, you have familiarity with everyone.
The FIRE experience is the best of both worlds. You work with your lab mates who become your friends. You're going to be learning so much more than you even expected. Focusing on both your science classes, your future, really broadens your perspective about the university.
I think the difference between a FIRE student at the end of the program and a student that hasn't participated in the FIRE program is that a FIRE student is going to be better prepared for what they're doing in their second, third, fourth years at the University of Maryland, and also better prepared for their time after college.